In this video, I will show you the 3 best websites where you can watch anime for free legally. Now, the first on my list is Bilibili TV. Now, this platform is more like YouTube, just that it actually focuses on a lot of other stuff like anime. Now, to actually access the anime section, you can see anime over here. So all you have to do is just click on it. And once you get in here, you'll be able to access all the different, anime that they actually have available on this platform. And you'll be able to stream them legally for free without any sign up or any registration. Now, if you actually want to upgrade to their premium plan, because they also have a premium plan available, you can actually see the benefits in here. Now, once you upgrade to premium plan, you're going to get a better resolution. At the same time, you'll be able to access download, and at the same time, you'll be able to skip ads and use it on multiple platforms. So this platform is actually a great platform, and the interface of this platform is butter smooth as well. So you guys should go ahead and go and give Bilibili TV a try. Now, before I move on to the second and third on my list, if you're actually finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button, because that's actually going to help me to grow my YouTube channel, and I'm going to appreciate that a lot. The second on my list is Tubi TV. Now, this platform is actually a free legal streaming platform where you can actually stream a lot of movies, TV shows, and anime together in the same place. Now, as you can see, Tubi is actually owned by Force Corporation, and like I said, they have anime available for legal streaming on this platform. Now, I'm not in the website right now because it's not available in my country, but if you actually have it available in the country, especially if you are in the US or you are in the UK, you'll be able to access their platform. Now, all you have to do is just go to the menu option. You are going to see the anime section in there. Now, once you click on the anime section, you become able to access a whole lot of anime series in there to stream legally for free. Now, Tubi is also available as an app. So if you see what they are showing over here, you can see that it's actually available on Google Play Store, and I'm sure it's also available for iOS users, because you can see that it's available for iOS user. So if you don't want to actually stream on their website, you can go ahead and download the Tubi app on your Android or your iPhone, and you'll be able to stream your best and favorite anime in there. The third on my list is Crunchyroll. Now, Crunchyroll is already quite popular, and if you know one thing about Crunchyroll is that they actually have the largest library collections when it comes to anime, from newest anime to popular anime. So they have so much stuff available on this platform, and the sweetest part is that they actually have a free tier plan where you can actually stream a bunch of anime, although it's a bit limited, but you'll be able to stream anime on their platform with ads included, meaning you'll be seeing commercial breaks when you're streaming your favorite anime on this platform. But if you don't want the limitation and you don't want to be seeing ads on this platform when you are streaming, you can go ahead and upgrade to the premium plan, which actually has a 7-day free trial. Now, once you upgrade to this plan, you are no longer going to be seeing ads, and at the same time, there will be no limitation. You'll be able to access a whole lot of anime on this platform at a super high resolution. Now, another thing that you are going to notice on this platform is that it's actually butter smooth. Like, the interface is butter smooth and very, very easy to use. So what are you guys waiting for? You have to go and give these platforms that I've mentioned in this video a try. So it's either you're streaming with Bilibili TV, or you're using Tubi TV, or you're going ahead and using Crunchyroll. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.